In this chapter, we'll learn about the last type of layout, irregular shaped layout. Irregular shaped layouts could be classified into two types. One is R-shape, and the other is corner cut shape. Sometimes the angle of the corner cut may be not 90 degrees. It would be less than or more than 90 degrees. That is corner cut shape. R-shape layouts would be like this. In this chapter, I just introduced how to plan irregular shaped layouts simply, but some notes and features will be explained in the following cases. In this case, it looks as if there is an arch replaces a corner of the kitchen. Except the arch, there are all straight walls with right corners. Above all, we need to confirm the positions of the sink, stove, and refrigerator. There are two options for sink. One is nearby the water outlets. Make sure the sink and drain for proper drainage. The other is under the window. There are enough sunshine and spaces for operating, but the length of drainage is too long. The refrigerator would be better to place nearby the door. The stove is installed on the opposite side of the entrance with enough activity spaces. If the stove is installed on the left, only 900 mm width here is too narrow. If it is installed on the right, on one hand, there are not enough activity spaces. On the other hand, it's too close to the sink without preparation area. So it's a waste of much left space in this big kitchen. After we confirm the triangle work area, we go on to plan the arc shape area. We should plan the layouts along the walls for there's an arc. There are two solutions to plan this special position. One is to make cabinets with the same arc. The other is to make standard cabinets. It's too difficult to make this non-standard arc cabinets. Therefore, placing the standard cabinets here is our best choice. The key point to design these standard cabinets here is to figure out two connecting points between the fixed cabinets. But it's flexible to figure out them according to the type and size of the kitchen. Before planning these cabinets, we should notice the standard of drawing and open. In general, the depth of base cabinets is 600 mm, and the thickness of door panel is 20 mm. The countertop is 650 mm depth, 30 mm beyond base cabinet. So we can make reference axis based on these two connecting points. Then the reference axis has a little offset to the arc to reduce the depth of countertop here. The reference axis go on to has an offset 50 mm where the base cabinet is installed. When a 600 mm depth base cabinet is installed here, there are more than 150 mm left on the back. So some hub holders should be placed to support the countertop. What's more, it's necessary to place up holders on two sides to make sure the stable of countertop. Since the length is 1473 mm, we can divide it equally to place two base cabinets or base cabinets with drawer. However, it's not suggested to place high cabinets along the arc. There are two reasons. Firstly, it would reduce the sunshine. Secondly, it's too difficult to make high cabinets to be suitable for this arc. Therefore, the best solution is to place base cabinets here. And the countertop can be divided into different shapes to connect along the wall. An area for a simple meal can be selected because of large space in the kitchen. We can design an arc bar counter right to the entrance. Whether to plan the preparation area left to the entrance, that depends on the budget. The best position to place high cabinets is the left corner beside the stove. All above is about irregular shaped kitchen layout.